Hey guys, it's Cynical Tech, and today we're going to be doing a review about the Anker Nylon Braided USB connector. So here's the box. You see, it has a picture of it, nylon USB cable with lightning connector. It says sync and charge with high speed and style. You open this up right here. It has your money back guarantee, your warranty, user support. You have some contact information right here, and about Anker in the box under customer service. And at the top here it says user cable. Use it just like an original Apple cable and plug it in to charge and sync. Now to the box, it comes in this cardboard flip kind of box. It does have the sticker. Now I ordered 2 of them, and they have the same numbers and credentials and everything. So I'm thinking that that's not serial code, but model number. See, it's both the same model, so that's what they have identical numbers. So in the box, you pull this and lift up. First thing I see is this "not happy" wording on this paper under the cable. You have this Anker Power Your Mobile Life little slit thing cable. And then what I saw is this little pamphlet. It says "not happy" then "happy." And when you open it up, you have, it says "enjoy living your slightly smart life. Share your experience with an Amazon review and connect with us on ianker.com, Facebook, and Twitter." And right here at the top it says, "We're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound happiness, we've got a few suggestions." And on the not happy side, our friendly and hassle-free service will work hard to put a smile back on your face. Here's how we can connect. It has their phone numbers, an email, and support online return forms at ianker.com/support. Now to the cable. I really recommend that you get a braided or flat cable. The original Apple cables that come with them, they are prone to breaking and are just not that durable. Now with the nylon you see it's braided with other materials to make it stronger. Now if I were to bend it like this, it's going to keep its form. And that's a really good thing, because when it comes to the heads, on the original Apple cable, these usually get turtlenecks and bottlenecks and cause a shortage in the cable. And so when you're trying to charge your device, 1, it will either not work, 2, it can harm your device, or 3, it can be both. So that's why it's really important to have a durable cable. Now this is the Anker cable. I got it in gold or champagne. You see that the heads are covered in this aluminum gold plate. I don't know. It's not gold plated, but it's just colored gold on both ends. They both say Anker. This USB end, and it is 0.9 meters or 3 feet. I'm pretty sure this one might be the 3.3 feet, so it's a 4 meter. I'm not sure though. But yeah, this and those flat cables, way more durable than just a regular USB, lightning cable. So I recommend you get one of these. It's not that much of a price jump. This one cost me $16 off of eBay, and I bought it directly from Anker. And I really recommend you do that too, so you can have that security. You know what you're getting. It's that good stuff, man. And yeah, that's basically it. It's Jacoby Packer from Cynical Tech. That new name. Signing out. Peace, man. See you guys in the next review. Love y'all, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.